Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been working on my bathroom and I'm happy to say I finished doing all the grouting. The stud wall here between the shower and the toilet, I thought tiles just needed to be replaced, but the wall basically fell to pieces because of water getting in. So I had to rebuild the stud wall. I varnished it so it wouldn't get rotten again. I put corner braces on it to reinforce it. I put plasterboard up and then I tanked it with tanking primer and tanking membrane. Then I've put the tiles up. I've done them vertically rather than horizontally. These are Trenty tiles by B&Q in the colour taupe. I use 6.5 boxes. I did this vertical on the edge and today I finished this bit here, this wall side here. So my next job is to paint the bathroom. I've got Dulux Egyptian cotton. It's like a magnolia, but it hasn't got that pinky hue. It's just like a neutral beige. It's proper bathroom paint. I'm going to do what they call colour drenching, where you do the ceiling and the walls, plus it will save me money because I won't have to buy extra ceiling paint. And I also bought these cheapy paint brushes from Home Bargains for £1.29. So I'll use them to cut the edges in and I'll use the roller for everything else. After I've done all of that, I'm going to clean all the grout on the original tiles using an old toothbrush and some bleach. And try and get rid of this rusty mark on the wall. I've had a few ideas from viewers. Sue R150B recommends vinegar and bicarbonate of soda, or lemon and bicarbonate of soda, so I'm going to give that a go. I've bleached around the windows because they were looking mouldy, so that's all lovely and clean now. I left it for 2 days rather than one because one day wasn't enough, so that's good to go. I've got a blind, so the blind will be going up as well. So there's lots of little jobs, or as us Brits call it, snagging, but it's nearly there. So I'm really pleased. We've had a new shower installed as well. The electrics weren't working on it, so I had to get an electrician in. But when you switch it on, the water's not coming out, so I need to get the plumber back out. So it's never ending saga with this shower because I had to buy a new one because the old one was dying, and get it installed, so my emergency fund got eaten up by that. But we're nearly there now, so painting next, but I'm going to have a day off because my hands are sore. But I think these Trenty tiles look really nice. So let me know if you've used them as well. I think they're an affordable price and I just think they look nice in the horizontal rather than the vertical, just a little bit different. And they're darker, slightly darker than the original tiles that were here. They were about 2/3 up, so we're off the old knackered stud wall. I salvaged some tiles and I took it up to the ceiling to make it look tidier because these ones are going up to the top as well. So please like, share and subscribe, and thanks so much everybody for the support, because I've got arthritis in my hands so this has taken forever and a day, and yeah, I've got there in the end. So glad. I'm out of breath. Bye for now and I hope to see you soon.